In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make flowcharts in Microsoft Loop Mermaid diagrams. In order to create flowcharts using your actual Microsoft Loop, you first need to head over to their site, which is loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in there, head over and click on this Get Started option in order to sign up for an account. So just head over and click on this. If you already have a Microsoft account or Office account, you can head over and then just use that by clicking onto the sign in option, and you should be able to use it to sign in directly into your Microsoft Loop. So here is actually my actual Microsoft Loop. In order to create right here a flowchart, just click onto this option right here on any blank page, input right here /, and from in there you can head over and then on the pop-up menu select the mermaid option, or you can head over and then search for it. Here we have mermaids, so click on this. And then after that, this will open right here this flowchart ID. So for this, just input the actual details that you want. It can be a code or go to line as well as other display options you want. It can be a code or preview or however you want it to be. You can change some things according to this right there. I'll input right here horizontal sports view. In there, you just need to input right here what you want. So for example, onto this, we have A, and this A have a need diagrams option. So for this case, let's input right here a detail for this one. Let's input form submitted. And then use, and then for the B, input right here what you want added. So let's put it here, add to database. And then you can just copy in here this use case in order to add a new one. Let's input C, and then add in here a new thing that you want added. So you need to be knowledgeable to coding in order to use this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.